Hey y'all, Lad here with Five Stones Outdoors, and today we're boiling peanuts. Check it out. So boiling peanuts is a southern tradition that's typically done late summer, early fall, and it's something that I enjoy doing. We'll boil an entire sack of peanuts and then we'll freeze them in bags, and then we can take them out all throughout the year and enjoy them. But one of my favorite things is with dove season coming up is boiling peanuts and bringing boiled peanuts with us in the field as a little snack. Boiling peanuts is super simple. You only need 3 ingredients: peanuts, salt, and water. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my burner lit. That way I can start heating the water, because it's going to take the water a little bit to boil. And once we get it boiling, the peanuts in there, it's going to take about 6 to 8 hours for them to cook all the way through. So we'll open up our valve, get down here. All right, so now we got both burners going, and we're just gonna let that water continue to heat. We're gonna go ahead and add our salt and our peanuts to it. It's gonna take 1.5 of these. You can use crab boil. A lot of people like crab boiled peanuts. We don't do it. I like them, but my wife doesn't like them so much. So we just opt to use the regular salted boiled peanuts. All right, so that's one. We're gonna add about 1/2 of this one. All right, that's good. All right, now we're gonna add our peanuts here from Mitchell Farms in Collins, Mississippi. Come check these peanuts out. Look how big they are.
They're big.
Those are gonna be some good ones. All right, so we're gonna dump these in. We have us a really nice sack to put crawfish in next year when we go crawfishing. Just going to mix these up a little bit, be sure they get down in the water column. And if I need to add any more water, now's the time to do that. All right, I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. And what you want, you just want to be able to see water, not necessarily covering the peanuts on top, because this whole basket in here is floating with them in there, but you at least want the water really close to the top there. Top of the peanuts, not the top of the pot necessarily. All right, this is what I'm talking about. You can see the water is just right there. You'll see the tops of some of these peanuts sticking out. All right, so now that we got all the ingredients in there, we're gonna let this water come to a rolling boil, and then I'm gonna cut it back down and just keep it at a low boil for that 6 to 8 hours that it's gonna take to boil them. All right, y'all, let's check them out. Oh yeah, we got us a good boil going there. So we're gonna reduce the heat just a little bit more. We're gonna let them go for about 6 hours, and we'll check them. We'll check them probably every couple of hours in the meantime, just to be sure we don't overcook them. All right, y'all, so the peanuts boiled for about 6 hours. I turned the heat off and just been letting them soak for just a little bit. They smell really good. They smell like boiled peanuts should. Here's a great big one. But you know that they're done whenever you can squeeze them easily and they pop open. And then on the inside, the peanuts will be really soft. No hard parts or whatever. These are perfectly salted and they are so good. So go find you a sack somewhere, boil you some peanuts, and y'all enjoy them. Till next time, get outside and enjoy God's creation. See you soon.